Hey there, I hope you're having a great day. Jim Munchback here at Bayrock Financial. Just wanted to send out a quick message with a heart full of gratitude and love, wishing you and your family a very happy Thanksgiving. I wanted to share one of my favorite recipes in my recipe folder. It's called Maple Roasted Brussels Sprouts with Bacon. Did you know 77% of the folks in the world call it Brussels sprouts, when in reality it's named after the capital of Belgium, Brussels. So it is actually Brussels sprouts. So didn't know that until I did a little research. So here's a 1-minute video on how to actually make these fantastic little gizmos, and I hope you enjoy it. I got this from All Recipes on YouTube, and I found a post there that tells you how to make these crazy little critters. So I'll post the full video with audio. You can go to the post if you click on the link, and you can check it out. But I do hope you try out this recipe because it's fantastic. Even if you don't like Brussels sprouts, the bacon and the syrup transform the thing. So I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Give me a holler, send me a message, reply to the email if you got one, and just let me know how you're doing. I appreciate it. Thanks, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching my video.